Father!
Dickie! Oh, why did you ever run away, darling?
Well, Mr. McChesney, I heard you talking, and I think he'd rather not have me.
Oh, that's what you think, Patricia McChesney, but it's not what your father thinks.
That's not what he thinks at all. Can I be your father, Patsy? I'll be good. You don't come down till I get an answer. Huh? Can I?
Oh, yes.
Hey, look in here, look.
Hey, young man. Oh, where are you off to, little man?
Manitoba. Nobody wants me here.
Oh, yes, we do. I mean that we know you didn't mean to cause all that trouble. Everything's going to be all right now, Edward. We forgot all about the whistle.
Dore Jaka,